So this next one that we're gonna make is more of a fluffy slime.
Yes.
But to make it fluffy, we're going to add some shaving cream to it.
Yes.
Okay.
What you need is white glue, because it works the best. Yeah.
And it's cheaper.
Yeah.
White glue, like at Walmart, this stuff is 77 cents.
And then the clear glue was like $1.74 or 77.
Yeah. So the white glue is cheaper. So use the white glue if you're not making one that needs to be clear.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so how do we make it?
We need half a cup of glue again.
I'm going to point you back down.
4 ounces. And this one is 4 ounces. Put this in the bowl.
Okay. Kim said she would make this with her grandkids.
Yeah, totally.
You would be the best grandma in the whole world. So we added a bottle of glue.
White Elmer's glue. And there's 2 different kinds. There's the school glue, and then there's like the, I don't know, it has all in it. I don't know exactly.
All purpose?
I don't know. But it's still Elmer's glue.
Uh-huh.
But it's a different name, and a lot of people say that one doesn't work as well.
Okay.
So we just use the school glue. Would you?
Good
and
to know.
this one expands a lot. Just letting you know.
Okay.
So put half a cup.
Okay, so we're gonna put a half a cup of shaving cream, and I'm just using generic shaving cream. Yeah. Nothing fancy. Oh, we didn't put any smelly in the other one.
Yeah, I know. I realized that. Here, while you're doing that.
We can't really put smelly in this one because this one already smells.
Not that much.
The shaving cream smells.
It doesn't smell that much. Yeah, it expands a lot. And if we need more, we can add more. Okay, we need that spatula thing.
Okay.
Or rubber spatula. Here, do you want to add that in and I'll add some orange?
Sure.
We're going to make it orange smelly. Because, you know, orange fluff.
Sounds good to me.
And this will kind of give it a little color. But we're going to use soap coloring for this one.
Yes, you can use food coloring, but food coloring is a little bit more dyeing.
It dyes your hands a little bit if you play with it.
Right. But this is dye that you can put like in soap and lotions and stuff like that. So this type of dye will not stain your hands when you play with it.
Sorry.
Okay, so then we've got the glue.
We need the color. You gotta get orange.
Oh, what color? Orange?
Orange, since it's orange scented.
Is this orange? Yeah, this is
I
orange.
think that's orange. I don't know. It made me really... Oh, that's orange.
Okay, I put 4 drops of orange. We can always make it darker if we want. Thanks, Kim. Thanks, Laura, for sharing. Yep, I think we need more orange. It's not very orange.
Oh, that's very loud. Sorry.
It is very loud.
Try not to be so loud.
Yeah, really. Could you not be so loud, Allie?
I know, right? You need to say that to me more often. It's so confusing because sometimes I'm like too loud and then sometimes I'm like not even loud at all. Like you can't hear me at all.
So let's see. Olga says my daughter did this one in front of her class as a science project. That's kind of how you did it, was as a science project.
Yeah, we did it in our science class. Like the last week of school was a fun thing. Yeah, it was so fun. And the 7th graders did it this year. My teachers got so annoyed because like they wouldn't pay attention in class. This is so distracting. Okay, I think that's enough orange.
Okay.
Here, add some more of that.
We want some more smelly.
Yeah, and that's just essential oil, right?
Yeah, this is just an essential oil. And we're just adding that just for smell, and you can add any essential oil. This one's orange.
Ooh, look at that, Mom. A nice orange color. It's kind of hard to see on that.
Yeah, it's kind of a yellowy orange.
And this one says for this liquid starch, 2 to 2.5 tablespoons.
Okay, so
do you want to get that?
Yep. Do you want me to put it in this time while you stir? And I'll add it slow, so if you need me to stop, I can. Ooh, it's already clumping together. Oh, that sound.
I'm sorry.
Shivers my timbers.
You're a pirate now?
I am.
We need to see the new Pirates movie.
I know, we haven't seen it yet, have we?
And everything.
I want to see that.
What's a new movie that came out that you guys want to see?
You're so good at this. You're like a pro already.
Okay.
Okay, should I add more?
Yeah, just a little bit. it's really hard to stir. Okay, I think we can use our hands now. Are you ready?
Okay.
To touch it with your hands?
Yes. Do you want more starch?
No, it's good.
You don't think it needs any more at all?
Maybe a little bit.
Okay, I'll pour most of it back.
Okay, just put it in. That was really a little bit.
Well, you told me that's all you want.
I know, that's okay, Mom. Okay, ready?
That is so cool!
Ooh, it smells good.
It does. It smells really good.
Oh, sorry. I'll put it in the frame so you guys can see it. I was smelling it. This is fluffy slime.
So, yeah, this is fluffy slime that we're making.
And there is 2 ways to put it or make it. You could put lotion in and it makes it stretchy, but that shaving cream also really helps to make it stretchy and stuff. And then like the clear slimes, if you want to make those more stretchy, then you use baby oil.
Oh, good to know. Yeah, great tip. I forgot to buy baby oil. You told me to and I forgot.
It's okay. They're really stretchy.
Okay, I want to play.
Okay.
Woo!
Here, I'll wash the bowl while you're playing.
Perfect.
And then you could add a little bit more if you feel like it needs it, and it's really sticky still.
It is really sticky. So does that mean that we could put more starch in it?
Yes, just a little bit at a time.
Okay, Liza, come here. My other daughter is here watching in the background, but she doesn't need to. She can come play. Can you get me just a little bit of starch in that? Just a smidgen. That's probably good. And then pour it right in there. Good job. We're just going to mix that all together. Yep, that does make it less sticky. That totally works. Yep. You're so smart, Allie. How come I have such smart kids? Perfect. So that, and it really does smell like orange. It smells really, really good.